Hi, it's Rich time again, and I'm Richard. Thank you for joining me. Yesterday, here in my business, the computer crashed, wouldn't boot up, my server. I couldn't access anything. But luckily, I was able to pull the second hard drive out and able to get my program back and up and running and current. Always do a backup. Always do a backup. Boy, am I thankful I did it. So I got to looking and found out that with the older hard drives, they're mechanical, not solid state. You can reset them, a little pivot arm in there. So I've got the hard drive right here, and I'm going to try and reset it. So if it happens, fantastic. And I hope it helps you, because I know it's going to help me. So let's get to it. The tools I need, I have this cute little neat torque bit set. And because this is a metal counter, I put it in the lid of a chute box because you don't want to have anything static or any type of friction. I may be wrong, correct me, but that's why I'm doing it here. In fact, let's move these out, and I'm going to start removing these. I don't think you have to mark the screws. Boy, am I hoping it's an easy one. I'm old school, but I'm learning. But man, I hope this works. Okay. Wait a minute, there's one missing. I'm feeling around. Might be something underneath it. Nope, apparently not. Oh, there's something right there. Aha! Look at there. They call that an Easter egg in the movies. There it goes. What's that in there? Pull it down a little bit more. See if it comes off now. Oh. Oh, there it comes. All right. I hope it just needs to be reset. And it does. Apparently, this arm will get stuck in that position. Power outage, power surge, I don't know. What I am going to do, try not to touch that disc. I think it's that simple. We'll put it back together and find out. Making sure everything's lined up. I'm going to start with Mr. Hidden Screw. I've shown a lot of people this trick, but once you get it in the hole, turn it counterclockwise. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but it's now set to where all I have to do is gently tighten. Sure makes it a lot easier. Not going to strip the screws. Now I'm going to do it like you're working on a car with the tire. Now I'm going to reinstall it in the computer and we'll find out. Hang on. Okay, let's see what happens. Holy cow. Do you know how many hard drives and computers I've ditched because of this? Oh my. Let me show you. Here's one. Here's one. Here's another one. I must have thrown the others away. Wow. Let me know what you think. Listen, I'm going to ask you a favor. Everyone does this on videos, and I see why. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. The subscriptions, I only like a few more before I can actually start making money, and then I can make even more videos. You have to pardon me. I'm verklempt. Talk amongst yourselves. Anyway, I'm Richard, and I'll see you next Rich Time. Woohoo!